Welcome! Today we are continuing our 12 Days of Christmas challenge, so get your ukulele ready. Let's do this! This song has a pickup note, which means that there are no chords, there's just a singing part. So it's when we say oh, oh, and then on Christmas we start with an F. Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Then we go to a G minor that looks like this for 2 beats. Lift these 2 fingers to make a C7. And then hop back to an F. Let's practice that switch from G minor to C7 to F. We have 2 on G minor, 1, 2, 1 on C7, and then 2 on F. Let's try that real quick. Notice how my index finger is barely moving through those switches. Look, 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 look. Don't look at your uke. Again, watch. We want to be as efficient as possible with our fingers. So keep them close to the fingerboard. Don't open, don't do flyaways, keep them close. Okay, let's do that part. G minor. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Beginning, and let's play through the song because that's the most challenging part about it. Here we go. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas. G minor. C7. Let's try and play through the second part of the song. I think you can do it because all we need is F and C7. Here we go. Your apples so green in summertime, stay bravely green in wintertime. And to end the song, we have the same phrase we do in the beginning. Okay, let's do a quick play along. Go to F, get ready. I'm gonna try and have the melody play from my laptop so we can do melody and chords. All you're getting is a pickup, so be ready to jump in with F. G minor, C7, stay on F. G minor, C7, stay on F. C7, F, G minor, C7. And remember to hold the last note so that it sounds nice and fades on its own. Let's try that again. You're only getting a pickup and then strumming on F. Get ready. Hope you had fun with that one. I had fun. Let me know if you had fun. And thank you to everyone who's sharing their Instagram videos with the hashtag. I love watching you, and I love that you're bringing other people into the challenge. That's so much fun. Alrighty guys, get ready for tomorrow's video. I will see you there. Sayonara.